You'll see the footage.
Yeah.
We nailed it.
Say that we're ready to go for today?
Oh yeah, 100%. We're gonna nail it. We're gonna knock it down. We're ready, baby.
Yeah, we are. I like it.
That thing is really light.
Oh no.
Let's just give it a little tape job. It's just a fishing hook.
Fly.
I think so. I'm confident.
Get up on stage here and explain.
Right, stage. We made 2 banners that we're trying to fly because they're doing an advertisement for Simply Sound. We also added in a tailpipe here and a little V at the end. Does it look cool?
So in short for y'all, this one's lighter,
Here.
this one's heavier.
Oh, you look like I got it.
So John, we'll pull over here. Maybe we can get in from here and get to the rocks, or we'll just...
As long as I just don't want it to get caught on one of those chimneys.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, I mean, maybe we just go straight down this road.
Wanna go down the road instead?
Yeah, you want like an actual runway.
Wanna get above the wires then?
Wait, where are you guys suggesting?
Straight that way.
You just straight down that way, over the stuff.
Can we go park? Like,
You wanna park in here?
Launch and then go straight over.
Where are we gonna launch it?
We'll launch like right here.
I think it needs a little more runway. But,
Runway.
I mean, I don't see where we're gonna launch it. I'm confused. Sorry, guys, don't kill me.
We're messing with each other.
Yeah, we're just messing around with you. This would not be the right spot to fly that thing.
Really, you're just fucking with me?
You want to fly it over the barbed wire?
And over those towers that hold a bunch of oil.
You guys see why I'm like, this is a bad idea?
Yeah.
I hate you guys sometimes. I take you guys way too seriously.
Same location as last time. Fire set up here. I'm gonna fly this just for a couple of test shots. Single app with 25mm. And there, a little bit of a counterweight in the back. 2/4 all taped up, looking nice and good. Pair of googly eyes. We're good to go.
See the footage.
Yeah.
We nailed it.
Alright.
The thing fell apart at like, 100 feet in the air. How high would you say that was, Tyler?
Maybe 70,
70
50 to 50.
mid 50s to 70 feet in the air. The banner fell apart, but the whole
Show
time.
them the banner. Show them what's left of this thing, John. Here we go.
But the whole time, that thing was perfect. Yeah. I mean, do we want to strap the other one to Izzy and just see what happens?
No.
If we do fly that zone, we're wrapping up today. I love you guys.
Peace, Johnny boy.
Peace. Love you guys. Go for today, team. Go Team Simply Visuals. Yeah.
It's our little cheerleader, yeah, Johnny.
Yeah, I love Team Simply. It's a funny ass video. Love you. Again, more Phil.
Get the hell out of here.
Fuck, dude, it's
Get the
snowing.
hell out
Look
of
at
here,
this.
buddy.
Look at this.
Get out of
It's
here.
squalling. Oh, master. Bye, guys.
Safe travels, John.
Love you guys.
Love you too. Love you too.